Hi there, if you want to turn off writing assist on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now, here you will find Galaxy AI, and in this section you will find writing assist. Simply tap on it, and from here you will find the toggle button that will allow you to turn on the writing assist on your Galaxy AI on your Galaxy device. And if you tap on this toggle button for once, then you can find that status is now off. That's means you just turned off the writing assist from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So right now its status is off. That means I have just turned off writing assist on my Samsung Galaxy S25. That's how you can simply turn off writing assist on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.